and welcome to the English class. Today's topic is unless they do something. We have reading, comprehension, and in the vocabulary part we have landscape and natural environment. Here you have a reading part, a newspaper article. It is called Plans for Rock Festival Worry Locals. Please read it, and after you read it, you can see that there are some emails that are sent by the people of a village where a festival will be held. So, after reading and understanding this article, please try to discuss with your peers or find out by yourself how many emails are there in favor of the rock concert. And you can understand why they are writing these emails. What do they like, or what don't they like about this festival? And while reading it, you can see that there are some new words in the text, and here you have some of them. If you have others, you can use a dictionary to translate them. The first one is field. A field is an area of land in the country, especially one where animals feed grass. Residence, someone who lives or stays in a particular place. Prevent, to stop something from happening or stop someone from doing something. Reassure, to make someone feel calmer and less worried or frightened about a problem or situation. Appalled, very shocked and upset by something very bad or unpleasant. Fuss, it is anxious behavior or activity that is usually about unimportant things. Keen, wanting to do something or wanting something to happen very much. Opportunity, a chance to do something or an occasion when it is easy for you to do something. After you read the article, you have the comprehension part. You have to complete the information. The first one is the location of festival. It is near Hartley. The second one is number of people expected. The number of people that are expected for the festival is more than 100,000. The third one, local residence plans. The plans are to take legal action to prevent the festival. Number 4, arguments against the festival. The arguments are that the river might be full of rubbish. The music usually goes on all night and it will be too noisy to sleep. And the last one is arguments for the festival. If people tidy up and put rubbish in bins, there won't be a problem. Music fans can see their favorite singers and bands. Music fans will spend money in the village shops. Landscape and environment. I know that you have heard these words before, but let's see what is the difference between them and what is their meaning. Landscape, it is an area of countryside or land of a particular type, used especially when talking about its appearance. It is a picture showing an area of countryside or land. So you can see the first picture. Environment, the people and things that are around you in your life. For example, the buildings you see, the people you live or work with, and the general situation you are in. Also, the natural features of a place. For example, it's the weather, the type of land it has, and the type of plants that grow in it. As you can see here, you have this example, in fact this exercise on your book, the vocabulary part. You have to complete the words about landscape and environment. And the first one is coast, number 2 is river, third is waterfall, number 4 desert, number 5 valley, mountain, ocean, and the last is harbor. Here you have some other words for landscape and environment. You can see the pictures and their names. How do we call them? The first one is bush, number 2 is cliff, path, valley, island, and the last one is hill. You can also use a dictionary to find their meaning in our language. In this exercise, you have to select the odd one out. At the first one, we have bush, tree, and river. So, river is different. Number 2 is river, lake, and desert. What do you think? Which is the word that is different from these 3? And the answer is desert. Number 3, sea, hill, ocean. So hill is out. Number 4, island, valley, coast. The word that is odd, it is valley, because it's different from these. And the last one, we have field, waterfall, and the river. And the one that is different from these 3 is field. And for homework, please try to write a short essay about your ideal holiday. So here you can describe landscapes and environments that you would like to visit, that you would like to see, and describe them a little in your own words. Dear students, I hope you like this lesson. We'll see you next time.